guys, today we're going to be making green spaghetti. We're going to be needing, obviously, spaghetti, 1 pound of spaghetti. For the sauce, you're going to be needing 2 cups of sour cream, 1/4 of a cup of milk, one-fourth of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, butter, a little bit of olive oil, and the main ingredient, which is Poblano peppers. I'm using 5, and as you can see, they are different sizes. On a pan, we're going to be putting our Poblano peppers. Temperature needs to be on a high heat. We want for the outside to be dark to make it easier for the skin to peel off. You can also do this directly on a gas stove. Right now I'm using an electrical stove, so I need to be using a pan. But if you have a gas stove, you can just put it directly on the flame and it'll be much quicker and faster. My Poblano peppers have been roasting for about 20 minutes. As you can see, the skin is starting to get black. That is what we want. Water is starting to come out. It means it's already cooked. If you're doing this directly on a gas stove, all this is going to be much darker. Just because the gas is burning the skin of the Poblano pepper. So don't be scared if that happens to you. It's totally normal. If you were doing it on a gas stove, this black part right here is about where you're going to be getting on your Poblano peppers all around. And I actually prefer doing that better than this. After your Poblano peppers are cooked, we're gonna put them in a bag. Make sure your bag doesn't have any holes. What we're looking for is for the bag to keep all the steam inside, so it can also help us peel the skin off of the Poblano peppers when we're ready to use them. We're gonna seal the bag. We're gonna put a cloth on top of it. We're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes while we do our spaghetti. Once our spaghetti is done, we're gonna be ready to use it for the sauce. Here, I already have 7 cups of water. On those 7 cups of water, we're gonna add a little bit of oil, the onion, garlic as well. The rest of the onion and the rest of the garlic are gonna be used for the sauce. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of the Chicken Flavor Bouillon. And we're gonna let it boil. Our water has been boiling for about 5 minutes now. We're gonna add the pasta at this time. I like to break the spaghetti in half just because I feel like it's easier to eat. And we're gonna let the pasta cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, so our spaghetti has been boiling for about 10 minutes. We're gonna check it. Our spaghetti is already cooked. All we have to do right now is rinse it and it's ready to use. Also, you want to remove the garlic and the onion that we left in here. That's why you want to have it on big pieces, so it'll be easier for you to remove. It looks like that was all, and we're gonna prepare our poblano peppers. If you want an example on how to peel your poblano peppers, you wanna take off the end, which is gonna be this part right here. And you're just gonna scrape it, and you're just gonna scrape it with a knife. What we're looking to is to take all this skin off. Sometimes it's not as easy, so that's why you wanna use a knife to help you. After that, you're gonna do a cut right in the middle, and you wanna remove the seeds. You also wanna be using gloves, because sometimes poblano peppers are spicy. I ran out, so I'm risking it and just doing it all by hand. These are all our poblano peppers already peeled and de-seeded. That's what we're going to be using for the sauce. Here in our blender, we're going to be adding our poblano peppers, the rest of the onion and garlic, sour cream, and the milk. Two tablespoons of the chicken flavor bouillon. Let's make it 3. Our sauce is ready. Here on the same thing that we used to cook our spaghetti, we're gonna add a little bit of butter. So our butter is already melted, and then we're gonna add our sauce. We're gonna let it boil, and then we're gonna add our spaghetti. Our sauce has been boiling for about 2 minutes. And now we're gonna add our spaghetti. Spaghetti is a little dry, so let's add about 1 cup of milk. And let it boil again. Our spaghetti is all ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy.